Today we're talking about how do you get an adjournment of your criminal court hearing. An adjournment is a postponement of the court hearing to another date, which can be applied by either yourself or the prosecution. If you're applying for an adjournment, you need to know that the court will only consider and approve requests for adjournments if they are supported by genuine reasons. The steps for applying for an adjournment are as follows. Number 1, you'll need to submit an application for an adjournment. Number 2, the court will consider your application, and if either side objects to the request for an adjournment, the court will consider the reasons given by each side before deciding whether to grant the adjournment. If the court approves your application, you'll be informed of the new hearing date which you must attend. And number 3, if the court rejects your application, you must still attend the original hearing date. The prosecution can also apply for an adjournment for a number of reasons and in different situations, such as if they need time for further investigations to be conducted, such as if the investigating officer needs more time to conduct interviews with witnesses, record statements from them, or to get more evidence. Also, if they need time to apply for reports to be prepared by third parties, such as accident reconstruction reports, medical reports, or reports from the Health Sciences Authority. They can also apply for an adjournment if they need to obtain the input from the Public Prosecutor's Office, the Attorney General's Chambers, or if they need to review and reply to letters of representations and appeals made by you and your lawyer. Likewise, you and your lawyer are also entitled to apply for an adjournment if you have valid reasons to request for more time to do some of these things, such as to engage a lawyer. This includes a situation where you need more time to approach social assistance groups and organizations such as the Criminal Legal Aid Scheme, CLAS class, for a volunteer defense lawyer to represent you on a pro bono basis, meaning free of charge. Also, if you need time to write letters of appeals or representations to the prosecutor, these are done to explain and to clarify your position with the prosecution, to persuade them to take a more lenient approach to handling your case. Also, if you need time to raise money to pay the fine that you anticipate will be imposed by the court, or to compound the matter and pay the composition fine or amount. You can also ask for an adjournment to settle and take care of your personal affairs before you start serving an imprisonment term. If you need an adjournment, you can apply for one through one of the following ways. Either through an oral application, and this means that you'll inform the judge in person during the actual court hearing of your request. If your request for the adjournment is approved by the judge, the court will issue you with a notice known as a mention slip stating the next date, time, and venue of your court hearing date. You can also apply through an online application, and this if your case is being handled through the court's online portal, such as the Integrated Case Management System, ICMS. You can file an online application to reschedule the court hearing through the portal, either via the internet or using one of the ICMS kiosks located in the court building. You can see the outcome of your request by logging into the ICMS portal using your SingPass to check on the application status. If your request is approved and the new date and time for the court hearing is shown in the portal, please take note of this. If your application is rejected, you must still attend the original hearing date. If your application for an adjournment has been rejected and you still miss the next court hearing date, the court can issue a warrant of arrest against you. So there you have it, some very basic information on how you get an adjournment for your criminal court hearing. Thanks for watching.